Sumali kami sa debate. Galing Mindanao, di ba? Before, when you join mga competitions, mga national debate competitions, actually, ang kasama lang yan, Ateneo, Lasal, UST, UP. Tapos they call themselves the Philippine National Champion. Pero apat lang silang naglaban-laban. Pero actually, yung mga Bulacan, Laguna, Cavite, Palawan, Mindanao, Visayas, hindi kasali. So for the first time, there was an ad for the first National Debate Championships sa newspaper. Newspaper pa nun, di ba? Ano, di ba? Oh, di ba? You get news before sa newspaper, hindi sa Twitter, hindi sa ganon. Wala pa. So we found that, and then so my friend said, Mark, why don't we join this? So we went to the president of the school, ma'am, can we join this? Yeah, go ahead. If you can find a way to join it, go ahead and join it. So we called the organizers, and they said, apparently the first few rounds were to be done over the radio, Radio Veritas. So tawag kami, okay, sige, you can join, but you need to call Radio Veritas for the first preliminary rounds. And naisip namin, ako, Mindanao, long distance call. Alala niyo yun dati? Kung magkano yung bill nun per oras. Sabi naman, sir, pwede bang collect call? I'm sorry, sir, we don't have a budget for a collect call. Sabi naman, patay kang bata ka. Isang oras yun. Isang oras lang, di ba? Patay ka. Pero wala na. Okay na. And then second, you need to use a speakerphone. sa bundok na, ano yung speakerphone? Basta there's a button that speakerphone, so we can hear ambient sound, so we will know that you're not getting coached on the side. Okay, speakerphone. So hanap ng speakerphone sa bulubundukin ng Mindanao. Alam ni Ate Beth ito, na wala masyadong speakerphone dati sa amin doon in the early 90s. So on the day of the competition, baba na lang kami doon sa Iligan. Kasi nandun sa Iligan yung National Steel Corporation. It's the industrial city of the South. So we were hoping na meron. Competition was at 10. We were looking for the speakerphone and a way to call Manila. Wala talaga. So, at mga 9 o'clock, nakaupo na lang kami ng partner ko sa bangketa in front of MSU IIT. Sayang pre, no? Oo. Tayo pa naman sana yung first outside of Manila na sasali. Oo nga, sige na lang. So wala na, discouraged na kami. So habang nakaupo kami doon, wala na, thinking of our bad luck, we heard a voice. Not from heaven. Yung security guard, sabi niya, Dong, diba? Kasi Mindanao eh. Ano problema niyo? Sabi naman, sir, kailangan kasi namin tumawag sa Manila, tapos speakerphone pa. Naku, problema na to. And then after a few minutes, he said, subukan kaya natin dyan, oh? Sabi namin, alin dyan? Yan. Sabi, alam niyo ba na tinuro niya? Yung transmitter ng PLDT. Yung transmitter compound na may tower na ganun. Sabi niya, pwede ba dyan tumawag, sir? Sabi niya, nakakatawag nga itong telepon ko na walang antena, yan pa. Sabi niya, tara, samahan ko kayo. Subukan lang natin. So, he brought us to the, alam niyo, may container vans, tapos nandun yung tower. Tapos, diba, masukal yan usually. So, tinawag yung guard, sabi niya, bye. Tabangan na to, tulungan natin itong mga bata. Kasi representative sila ng Mindanao. Ano nga yun? Sabi niya, sa debate. Sabi niya, okay. So, hindi rin naintindihan. So, ano ba talaga yung kailangan nyo? Sabi niya, sir, kailangan lang namin makatawag sa Radio Veritas tapos kailangan namin ng speakerphone. Sabi niya, meron speakerphone kasi tech booth ito eh. This is a tech booth, so meron talaga kami speaker. Okay, anong oras ba yung debate nyo? Sabi namin, sir, alas 10, sir. Sabi niya, naku, malapit na mag-alas 10. But he said the same line. He said, sige, subukan lang natin. So tumawag siya, hello, sir! May mga bata dito, sir. Kailangan daw nilang ganito, ganyan. Sir, pwede po ba, sir, na makitawag kami? Bumayag! Ay, akin na yung number! Upo kayo dyan, upo! Saan? Diyan sa sahig. So, umbuo kami sa sahig in between the transmitter panels on the floor. And hello, ma'am. Sa Iligan po ito, ma'am. Oh, yes. O sige, hook up mo na. Pak. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first National Debate Championships between the team from Mindanao and the University of Santo Tomas. This is the first team outside of Metro Manila to join this competition. An exciting day for Philippine debates. Let the debates begin! Ayun na, debate na, nasasahig kami ha. Debate na, pak. Yung cheerer namin, yung security guard, at saka yung technician, sige dong, birahidong. Pero exciting, laban lang. Alam mo yun? First round, second round. Until we reach the national finals. Nadadaan din kasi sa cute dati. Yeah. This is me when I was, what? This is 1990s. Yan pa yung itsura dati. Nasaan na yung batang yan ngayon? So, but it did not even stop there. We went all the way to the World Championships in Cork, Ireland. Kilala niyan? Si RJ Ledesma ng Lasal, si Hex Alvarez, si Wilson Fang ng Lasal, etc. That's a Philippine team. Ateneo, Lasal, UST. And then there's a boy from Mindanao, a partner, Maymay. How did we get there? Because there were two people who said, sige lang, subukan lang natin. The truth is, I might not even be here today without those two people. Somebody along the way will say, subukan lang natin. And so we did. And my life was changed because of that. Alam mo yun, I don't know where they are now. And I always thank them. Every time I tell this story, in my heart I'm praying a word of thanks for them. That they will also be blessed because they have blessed my life. Alam mo yun? So, that's the same for, I'm hoping, for an event like this. That this moment will inspire you to learn to communicate well. Because it will really benefit you and will go a long way for you in your life. If you learn. Because remember, I was just a boy in Mindanao. But there was a breakthrough that happened because of a guard who said, let's go there. Because of a technician who said, let's just give it a try. Let's just give it a try. Alam mo yun? So, sana ganun din ang mangyari today. That you'll be inspired to just learn to become good communicators. So that we will eliminate in the Philippines boring seminars, boring meetings, boring talks, boring speech ng tita, boring speech ng nanay. And that every time you guys take the stage, they will say, that was nice. That was fun. That meeting was good. That speech was nice. That was really good. That's inspiring. How do we do that? One speaker at a time. Who will commit to communicate better. To communicate excellently. Okay po ba yun? Taasan ka ng kamay ng lahat ng gusto matuto. Taas. Tapikin nyo na sa kanan. Sabihin mong, you will become a good communicator, my friend. Tapik.